इस पोयम को हम रीड करने वाले हैं इस वीडियो में, पेपर बोट्स। तो नाउ लेट अस रीड व्हाट द पोयम डज विद दिस पेपर बोट। Day by day, I float my paper boats. But in big black letters, I write my name on the mand, the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. I load my little boats with silly flower from a garden and hope that these blooms on the down will be carried safely to land in the night. I launch my paper boat and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their white bulging sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. When night comes, I bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them, and the leading is their basket full of dream. ये पोयम जो है वो रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर ने लिखी थी। ठीक है, तो इस पोयम की हिंदी हम सेकंड वीडियो में देखेंगे। तो तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, नाइस डे।